Grab your backpacks, explorers. Today's word takes us on an adventure. Welcome to Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is exploration. Can you say it with me? Exploration. Let's spell it together. Ready? E-X-P-L-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. That spells exploration. Exploration means the act of traveling or studying to learn more about something. Here are some words that mean the same as exploration. Say them with me. Discovery, like finding a hidden trail in the park. Investigation, like checking out where the ants are marching. Journey, like traveling to visit grandma's house. Adventure, like going on a field trip with your class. Research, like studying planets for your science project. Each one shows how exploration means looking, learning, and finding new things. Now let's look at the opposites of exploration. Ignorance, like choosing not to learn something new. Avoidance, like skipping the chance to try. Disinterest, like saying, I don't care. Idleness, like sitting around without looking further. Neglect, like ignoring the chance to explore. That's the opposite of exploring. Here's a great example. Sophia's exploration of the forest helped her discover new plants and animals. Let's review. Exploration means the act of traveling or studying to learn more. Synonyms: discovery, investigation, journey, adventure, research. Antonyms: ignorance, avoidance, disinterest, idleness, neglect. Exploration helps you learn more about the world and makes every day an adventure. Here's your challenge. Explore a new part of your yard, playground, or room today and notice 3 details. Wow! You explored bravely and discovered something new. Keep exploring, word adventurers. Tomorrow's word is waiting in Word Up with Sophia.